You have to be stable, you have to be mature enough to handle it.
Like doing it because you want to, not because, oh, everyone else is doing it, or oh, like he wants me to, and like people do that, like couples do that, I guess. Like,
the older you are, the better chances you have of making smart decisions.
Isn't necessarily based on whether they're ready in their current relationship. Because a lot of times I think you think of that, you know, oh, it's getting really serious with my partner, I'm gonna have sex.
I always think that if you completely understand something, you should be able to explain it, and if you completely understand your emotions, then you should be able to explain why you're ready to do something.
I think it's more from an internal space where sexuality and virginity is something personal, it's something that's a part of you, it's part of your identity.
Like this controls that and that controls that, you know? And if you're not listening to this, that gets really messed up.
So it's all about awareness of what you want and the ability to recognize what you want and that you're able to cope with it.
You have to know what you want here for you to really know what you want up there.
That's all it's about, being safe and healthy.